Hello student, welcome back in the online class of Social Studies. I hope you all are fine and doing your studies well. In the previous video, we had studied about the Ganga River Basin and the Satluj River Basin. Today, we will continue the same chapter, 13, Northern Plains. Today, we will know about the Brahmaputra River Basin and State Punjab. Okay, as it is clear with the name of the state, Punjab means the land of 5 rivers. It means 5 rivers flow through the state Punjab. See, Satluj, Beas, Ravi, Jhelum and Chenab. These 5 rivers flow through the state Punjab. The capital of the state is Chandigarh. Languages spoken in the state Punjab are Punjabi, Hindi and Urdu. Okay. Total area 50,000 square kilometer. This is the total area of the state Punjab. Districts. There are 22 districts in the state of Punjab. Okay. So first we will know about the Brahmaputra river basin. Then we will see the location of the state Punjab in the state. The Brahmaputra originates in Tibet, where it is known as Shangpo. Okay, means the name of the river Brahmaputra in Tibet is Shangpo. It enters India through the eastern part of Himalayas. If you see the location of Himalayas, you will find that Brahmaputra enters in the state through the eastern side of Himalayas, flows through Assam and enters Bangladesh. After flowing through Assam, it enters in the country Bangladesh. Okay, jute and rice are the main crops grown here. Okay, now we will see the location of the state Punjab. Student, see, this is the state Punjab. This is the northern area and Punjab is here. Punjab shares its borders with the states of Haryana, Rajasthan and Himachal Pradesh. Okay, now we will know about the state Punjab in detail. Students, as I told you, Chandigarh is the capital of the state Punjab. The state spreads over an area of around 50,000 square kilometer. It has 22 districts. Its population is around 28 million. Means total population of the state Punjab is near about 28 million. It shares its borders with the states of Himachal Pradesh, Haryana and Rajasthan. The languages spoken here are Punjabi, Hindi and Urdu. Farmers in Punjab grow wheat, jowar, bajra, sugarcane, oilseed. These are the main crops which farmers grow in the state. Rivers like the Satluj, the Ravi, the Beas, the Chenab and the Jhelum flow in the state. Due to these 5 rivers, the state got its name Punjab, means land of 5 rivers. Some cities of Punjab are Jalandhar, Amritsar, Ludhiana, Bhatinda, etc. Now we will know about capital city, that is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is a union territory as well as the capital of Punjab and Haryana. Chandigarh is the capital of 2 states, Punjab and Haryana, and it is also a union territory. Union territory which is directly governed by the central government. It is a well-planned city designed by the French architect Le Corbusier. People living in the city speak Punjabi, Hindi and English. Population of Chandigarh is less because there are no big factories around this city, as no big factory in the city. That's why population is less in the capital city. Sukhna Lake, Rock Garden and Rose Garden are the main attractions of this city. Tourists visit these places. Rock Garden, designed by nature, is full of objects built from household and industrial waste. Means whatever the materials kept in Rock Garden, they are made from household and the waste material from industries. Okay. The Rose Garden has more than 1,000 varieties of roses. It is the biggest in Asia. Means the biggest rose garden in Asia is in the state Punjab. The Secretariat, the Legislative Assembly and the High Court are the main government buildings in this city. Now, we will know about the main festivals celebrated in the state. Guru Parv, Baisakhi and Lohri are the main festivals. Bhangra and Gidda are famous dance forms of the state. Folk songs are popular. Fulkari, embroidery, leather jutis, daris, woven silks, wood crafts, gold thread, embroidery, ivory carving, metal work, sesame furniture are popular crafts. Okay. Punjab is called the bread basket of India because it produces wheat in large quantity. That's why it is called the bread basket of India. Agriculture, textile mills, sugar mills, dairy industry, machinery and chemicals are the main industries in the state. Ivory craft means craft which are made from elephant teeth. मक्की की रोटी, सरसों का साग, लस्सी, curd, parathas of all kinds with butter are main food items of Punjab. Wheat, rice, sugarcane, maize and barley are grown here. Some historical places also located in the state. Jallianwala Bagh, Golden Temple, Rock Garden, Pinjore Garden, Anandpur Sahib, Kila Mubarak, Sheesh Mahal, Jagatjeet Palace and Atari Border are well-known tourist spots of the state. So students, today we learned about the state Punjab and we also learned what are the things which made state quite famous. So listen the video carefully and revise the topic. Thank you. God bless you all.